Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of So You Think You Can Bake. I'm your host, Kelsey, and this week we'll be making magic cookie bars. These are a real crowd pleaser for my family, and when you see how simple they are, they'll become one of your favorite desserts too. The first thing you'll want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you'll spray your pan and gather your ingredients. We are going to need 1.5 cups of chopped graham cracker. I use cinnamon graham crackers, not because they make the dessert taste better, but because I eat them as a snack when the rest of the box is left. So you'll spread these in your pan, and then you'll take 1 cup of melted butter and pour it over the graham crackers. Use a spatula to spread them around in the pan and to press them down into a nice graham cracker crust. You don't have to get too scientific here. Really, anything will do. Not too scientific. So, now that that's done, you'll want to get 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of butterscotch chips and sprinkle them on top of the graham crackers. Then you'll take 1 cup of chopped walnuts and spread them on top. The next thing you'll want is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You'll spread this over the whole pan evenly. The last ingredient is 1 cup of shredded coconut. Sprinkle this on top. And that's all there is to it. We put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Doesn't this look delicious? Thanks for joining me on this week's episode of So You Think You Can Bake. Next week, we'll be going back to the basics with my double chocolate brownies.